Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to put a circular frame or a circular video inside another video. This is mostly useful when you're creating a tutorial for your students or a tutorial for YouTube uploads and you want to be actually seen, okay? So we are going to learn how to do that. So to start, we import our video. Let me just say there are two basic ways of doing this. We're going to learn both ways, okay? There is a very simple one and then there is a not so simple one. We'll see. All right, so to start, this is going to be our base video. This particular video here is going to be our base video. And then this one is going to be the circular video that we are going to create, okay? So let's say we have two videos here, one here, okay? So how do we see the one down here? Simply come here, realizes it changes to this particular sign, and then as we click and drag, it unveils the other video, okay? All right, let me stop here and then place it down here. In fact, if you need a square video, you can pause this video and I think your work is done, because if I should play this, yeah, as you can see, you have your square video here, and then you have your main video here. I think there's a crime scene and you have a reporter that is reporting on the crime scene, okay? So if you need a square frame put in here, then your work is done. But our square frame is not the main reason we are here. We want to create a circular frame, okay? So to do that, we click on mask. Make sure this particular top video is selected always. And then you click on mask. Remember, we are creating a circular frame, so we click on this. And then we move this up in a way, move this side to a way to create that circular thing we want. And you click and drag and put the lady in frame properly, okay? And it's as simple as that. Our work is done here. We can go ahead and click on this basic, okay? And then we can move this anywhere we want. We can place it up here, we can place it here, or we can place it here. There is a body bag here, so let's just place it to the corner here. Let's click and see how our video will come out. Let's play. So as you can see, you have a circular frame here, your circular video here, whilst the police are inspecting the crime scene. Okay, so there's the first method of doing it. Let's move to the second method. The second method is not so much of a straightforward thing. Let's delete this particular video and then let's re-import this reporter back into the timeline. Now, to start, we must first create a mask, as we always do. Choose the circular one. Make sure you put it in a very good point where you can actually see yourself, or in this case, the reporter, okay? After doing that, the best thing to do is to now create what we call, click on this basic, come down here, and then choose under canvas. Choose a color, okay? Here, move it up. Let's choose white, okay? So we have a white background with the lady placed on it. We'll come down to our timeline, right click on this video, and then choose create compound clip. Very good. Now that is done, we go up here and then we create another mask. Let's click on mask, a circular one of course, and then we move this and overlay it on it properly. As you can already see, we have created this white background or shadow around it. Let's just extend it a bit like this. I think that'll be okay. Good. And then we click on this basic. Now let's come and import this video back into the timeline. So we place this on top of this. Good. Click on this and drag it to the bottom right. Remember what you said, you can put it anywhere you want. Let's put it here and play this video and see how it comes out. Very good. So you have our main video, the police inspecting the crime scene, and then we have this reporter in this particular nicely created border. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment. You can click on the like button.